Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am back with a new swatch and review of one specific nail polish color in my collection. That is basically what I do once a week for the last couple of years. I'd say like 3 years ago I randomly started doing this and I haven't stopped since because I feel like it's so much fun and just the perfect time to actually sit down, have a moment for yourself, grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. And for this specific nail polish of the week video, I actually have one of my new favorite nail polishes in store for you guys. But first, if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But first things first, let's start off with clean nails. Remove your previous manicure or any leftover nail polish that might still be on there. Just make sure you have a clean surface to apply your base coat to. And I'm actually going to double up my base coats, which is something that I love to do. So on forehand before filming, I actually applied one by Trend It Up. That one is really nice, very smoothing to the nails as well, especially if you have a little bit of ridges going on. I actually have a couple on some of my nails as well. It is totally natural, totally fine. You don't have to buff your nails. Please don't buff your nails because it actually damages and weakens your nails. So just apply a good base coat to actually really level it out and just start off with that. And after that, I'm going in with my Dior base. I've been using this one non-stop for the last couple of weeks. I've been really loving it. It is quite pricey, but definitely worth the money in my opinion. And for today's nail polish color, I'm actually going in with one by KBShimmer. KBShimmer is one of those brands that I'm just recently discovering. Like a couple of months ago, I bought this polish and I am obsessed. I am really in love with this brand. It is an indie brand, so they are a little bit more pricey. And I got this one for 10 euros or 10.50 in euros if I remember correctly. I just ordered mine from hypnoticpolish.com, which is really handy for me because they are located here in the Netherlands as well, so I don't have to wait super long before they ship out or anything like that, and I don't have to pay any like import costs or anything like that, so that's a big plus. So if you are in Europe or maybe even in the Netherlands yourself, definitely check them out. I'm not sponsored or anything like that to mention them. I just really love the web store and I've been mentioning them for a couple of times lately because I'm just really impressed with the wide range of beautiful indie brands that they actually stock up on, and they are quite decent pricing wise as well. But this color is of course by KBShimmer, as I already mentioned. This one is called I'd Pick You. I think it is from a spring collection from 2021, but I'm not sure. Like, don't hold it against me or anything like that. I'm not sure. I just got this one together with some other polishes by, I think it was Cirque Colors or something. And just I really fell in love with the pictures that were on the web store and I just had to have it. It is so gorgeous. It is super flaky. It has the beautiful, like most beautiful kind of jelly sheer kind of lilac base. Usually I'm not a big fan of sheer or jelly-like polishes because I like my nails, or at least my manicures, to be completely opaque, but for this one I don't mind having to apply 3 coats and still see a little bit of my natural smile line peeking through because this color is just stunning. So as I mentioned, it has a jelly kind of sheer base, beautiful lilac-y kind of color. It's one of those colors that is a little hard to describe, to be honest, because some people see this color more as a pink, some see this more as a purple. I just feel like it's right in that sweet center spot, like in the middle of a pink and a purple. So I just feel like this is the perfect lilac color base. And then it has those beautiful flakies in there. It is insane. They are color shifting from like a gold to a coppery and even some green tones in here. It is really gorgeous, and of course because it has that jelly kind of formula and a lot of flakies in there, the more layers you will add, the more depth the entire manicure will have, which is something that I really love. I'm really into like layering polishes lately, just to give that little extra oomph to your manicure, if you know what I mean. It's kind of like sandwiching different glitters in between sheer polishes. It's kind of like the same effect, but then you only need one polish, which is this one by KBShimmer. I'm just really loving this one. The only thing is, if you do have longer nails and you do like a more opaque finish, you might want to add kind of like a matching lilac color underneath and then add 1 or 2 coats of this if you don't want to add like a lot of this polish. The dry time isn't too bad actually. I think I waited for like 3 minutes in between each colored layer of polish before it was like 90 to 95% dry. I feel like that is the like right spot for me to go in with the other or next layer of polish. But yeah, if you don't like to wait long for your polishes to be completely dry, just apply an opaque base underneath. This could be a white or, as I mentioned, an opaque lilac color. Or just use this polish as some like nail art accents or details or something. I just feel like it is very beautiful as a full-on manicure like I'm doing in this video. But if you're not really into flakies or just sparkly kind of colors, you can easily use this polish just as a nail art accent or something. You know, there are so many ways to use nail polishes. You don't always have to apply it full on the entire nail plate, you know. Just play around with it and just wear whatever you like. But after everything is fully dry, I'm going in with my top coat. I just decided to keep this one full on glossy. You guys know I'm a glossy finish kind of girl. I just really love my glossy finishes when it comes to my manicures. So yeah, I'm just going in with one by Dior. This is actually the matching top coat that I got all together with the Dior base as well. I really love this one. Once again, it's quite pricey, like 25 towards 28 euros depending on where you get them, but they do dry really fast and it just gives a beautiful glossy flawless finish that I feel like it's kind of worth the money, or at least I have already like purchased these bottles and I'm definitely going to use them up, and I'm definitely going to repurchase the base once that one is fully gone, because I really like it a lot, and sometimes you just have to splurge a little bit on yourself, you know? But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video. Definitely let me know what you think about this KBShimmer polish, because personally I'm obsessed. I'm loving it. It is beautiful for spring, summer, but of course you can wear any color all year round if you want to. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.